if you have any digital capability, right? Just think very generically. If you have any digital capability, it's exposed out as APIs. And then the whole API mesh was okay, business would need multiple capabilities put together to go end to end, right? So that was the big proposition. And back in the days, right, our older CTO used to talk about the application network and all of that stuff, right? So that concept still remains. The way it's evolved now is that agents become the front of that digital capability. So right now there is an app, right? So if I have to go to United, what is my interface between me and United, right? It's that United app, right? So I go there and do what I need to do, and underneath the covers there is the whole company that runs and all of that stuff, right? There's a lot of complexity under there. But if you think in terms of APIs and agents becomes a higher level granularity that now, or that conceptual entity that gives represents the digital capability. And the difference is that APIs had to be talked about and called in a very specific way. Agents can communicate with one another in a more loosely way because of natural language, right? So that network, I think the promise of that network is a lot more. Right now, I'm seeing within an organization's agents making things better, but soon the digital economy would mean that there is a marketplace of agents where the trading, the value exchange is also represented by agents, right? So time will tell, but I would say that the promise of that agentic mesh compared to the API mesh is much more promising because it would be the new way in which digital capabilities are exchanged. And cognitively speaking, for a human being, right, natural language is the easiest way. And agents can also, some parts can be natural language and the other parts can be, the more deterministic protocols, right, as we talk about A to A. So the combination of this, I think, is very powerful for and very promising.